Here's everything I want to pack for 2 weeks in a carry-on only bag for fall travel. I've got 3 sets of pajamas, 6 t-shirts, 10 or 11 pairs of socks, 1 bra, 10 pairs of underwear, my wallet, my passport, a pair of shorts, a pair of black pants, a pair of jeans, a travel pillow, all my toiletries, a sewing kit, headphones. This is a travel backpack, my electronics, chargers. I've got 3 tank tops because menopausal women, we need our tank tops for layers. I've got 2 long sleeve tops. I'll also be wearing a long sleeve top and a pair of sweatpants. This is a lounge around shirt. I've got a lightweight down jacket, a swimming suit because you never know. And I've got a rain jacket. I've got a pair of boots, Birkenstocks, and tennies. I've got a curling iron, brush. A few other items will fit in there, some laundry stuff. Here's all my toiletries, travel blanket. I'm gonna try to get all this in. Here's a little charger that you need for European travel. So we're gonna try to get all this in carry on. Here's my carry-on setup. I've got a backpack there and I've got my carry-on size suitcase that should work in all of Europe and all of the United States on, I think, almost every airline. So let's do it. I have a ton of packing cubes. I will use what I need here. We're gonna figure it out as we go. First thing I'm gonna do is put my shoes in bags like this so that they don't get other things dirty. I'm gonna put my socks in this long skinny bag so that it can kind of go lengthwise in my bag. I've decided on 4 short sleeve shirts and 2 long sleeve shirts that I'm gonna put in a compression bag, which I don't really think you have to compress it all the way down. It just wrinkles everything, but it does help to kind of shape it around the clothes so that they aren't taking up space and it keeps things organized. I'm just laying them flat. As you can see, there's plenty of room, so I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add 4 tank tops with my shirts. There's still lots of room around the edges, so I'm gonna shove my underwear in there. And I have about 10 pairs of underwear. So now I know basically all my shirts and my tank tops and my underwear are in a bag. If I want, I can compress it down, but I really don't actually think that it's very useful to compress everything down too much because we don't want to overpack. So if I just compress it a little bit, that keeps it together in my suitcase. So for bottoms, I'm taking my sweatpants that I'm wearing. This will be my lounge around pair of pants as well. I'm taking a pair of black pants that are a little bit nicer, but I could also wear them during the day. I'm taking a pair of denim jeans and I'm taking a pair of beige shorts just in case it's hot on one day. I don't know what's gonna happen. Spring and fall weather are kind of crazy. This is a fall weather packing video, but it could also probably work for spring too, depending on where you go. I just took this off. It was way too hot. This I'm gonna wear on the airplane. It's a cashmere sweater, but it's too hot for what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna put my pajamas, the rest of my pajamas. I have 3 sets of pajamas, which for me, that means it's shorts and tank tops that I wear to bed. I've got a swimsuit, just in case. Got an extra bra here. I've still got room in this bag. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in there. I'll figure it out. I'm just gonna close it up. Maybe I'll add something later, but for now, I think we're pretty good. I'm gonna start putting these in my suitcase to see how they fit. And this is still what's left. We are making progress though. Okay, so I'm gonna position the biggest items first. This side's gonna have this bag. Actually, I can kind of smash it in like that. That was my pants, I believe. Yeah, pants, all the jammies. So that side is pretty much full. I can probably fit some little items in and around. Put that in there. This is another pair of shoes. This is my second pair. You could also separate these. I might separate them because I think I could fit them better if they're not completely, if they're not in that bag together. So I'm gonna go like that. So my shoe side is towards the bottom of my shoe side is out. I'll just put this part like that. Got a curling iron, full size. It's gonna go in here. This is a bag of my dry toiletries. So no chance that I'll have to show those to anybody. Adapter. Taking a belt. Little sewing kit. Just in case I need to make a repair. A brush. This guy's a little laundry guy. I'm gonna put that in with my dry toiletries. I decided to leave this one shirt at home. No big deal. I have plenty of shirts. I need to get these Birkenstocks in there. All right. I'm gonna zip this side up as well. So far everything fits. Before I'm finished though, I'm gonna pack my personal item bag with the things that I want to be able to grab during flight. So here's my personal item bag. This fits under the seat in front of me, and I'm gonna pack it with everything I need during the flight. So I'm putting some extra pajamas in the bottom. I've got a travel blanket. I've got my earphones. I'm gonna put my lightweight down jacket in this little guy. What's great about this, if you have it with you, is this acts as a nice little travel pillow. It's a down jacket. I can compress this even further because it's a down jacket, and down jackets compress, you know, really well. So this one I actually can do. And it's even now it's a little tighter, more firm little pillow. I'll put that in there. Liquid toiletries are going to go in this front little pocket. In case I am required to pull them out. I think I'm going to take my hairspray out and put this little downy de-wrinkler, because if anything gets wrinkled, that would be nice to have. I can live without hairspray for a couple weeks. But you choose what you're willing to live without. If you need hairspray, put it in. My rain jacket is going to go in this front pocket. It's kind of where I would normally put, maybe in the summertime I might put some swimsuit or something like that. But I'm going to put my rain jacket in there because I need it accessible. If when I arrive, it's raining, it's easy to get to. I have this little vest that I brought that I could use. It's got lots of pockets for travel, so you could put extra things in there if you want. I'm not sure I'm gonna need this, but let's see how the packing goes. Menopausal woman. You might want this on the plane. You can get this on Amazon. Cables, charger. I think we're gonna get there with everything. I did not do a test run. This is my test run. This is like legitimate. All right. I still have my cashmere sweater, so that's something I would wear, or I would just throw inside the bag. I've got this nice little bendy thing for my iPhone. So I'm not showing that because I'm using it to film this, but you can bend, this thing is kind of cool. You can bend it in different positions and then put your iPhone right there so you can watch movies on your iPhone. Super flat and thin, and when it's opened up, so you can just slip it right in there. I'm gonna put my wallet right in there. I'm gonna put my passport right in there. I've got this little day bag. It's a little day bag. I just got this. It's a tiny day bag. It folds down super flat. So if I want to, during the day, pull out a couple items and not take this whole bag, then I have something. That's about it. If I chose, I could wear this travel vest. There's my kitty. Hi, there's Rocket. With airline policies changing constantly about what you can take on board, and now they're starting to have us consolidate what we can take, a travel vest like this that has a lot of pockets gives you a little bit of extra space that they just can't tell you, hey, you can't wear a vest. So if you're trying to sort of smuggle some extra stuff on the plane that won't fit into your personal item bag or your carry-on bag, this travel vest is a great option. It has this particular one, I don't know, they say it's got pockets all over the place. There's pockets on the inside. There's probably about 6 or 7 on the outside and maybe like, I don't know, 6 or 7 on the inside. There's a lot of pockets. If you're interested to know what it is, you can ask below and I'll answer you. This particular vest is, I got a slightly larger so that I could fit more things in it, but right now, the only thing I'm putting in is my sunglasses. So I don't think we're gonna have a big issue on this trip. My packing went pretty well. I've got everything in my personal item, except my hairspray. I decided to leave that out. My suitcase closes with no problem. Let's check it all out together on the floor. This particular bag has a trolley strap. So let's see if I can give you a better view of that. I'm wearing my 3rd pair of shoes. I've got 3 pairs of shoes in there. I've got layers. I could layer my down jacket over this, or I could put it actually under this and wear this over the down jacket. So there's lots of options. This is all carry-on. You can get anywhere and you can last for weeks with this. If you bring your laundry, you can last for months. All right, that's it for now. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Watch this video next. For those, please hit like and subscribe and maybe give me some ideas of things you'd like to see. So this is fall packing in carry-on only. Lots of layering. Everything matches, so I can wear anything with anything else. Maybe I'll do a montage of some of my outfits. I should probably do that. If you want to see a montage of some of the outfits, I'll put it in the video somewhere, either after or before. All right, bye.